Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica Flynn and I am the owner and maker of Flynn Sisters Boutique. And today we're gonna do a fun little unboxing and review on Craft Haven's new cups. You know, I love Craft Haven. They are a sponsor for our channel. So I'm very excited to share with you these new styles that she just got in. We're gonna go over all of them and my take on them. I'm also gonna show you some older styles that are kind of new to me and what I'm excited about with those. So, I got a big old box here. Once again, we're just gonna go ahead and dive right in. All right, you guys, let's jump into this box. But first, I want to show you my new cute apron. These are $8.88 available on the website now in black and gray. And they're this like nice, thick, like almost, I don't know what this kind of material is called, but it's nice and thick. Won't get epoxy soaking through onto your clothes. I know I have like epoxy all over all of my work clothes, so these are super nice to have. All right, let's dive into the cups. Now, the first ones I want to show you are these domed acrylic water bottle cups, I guess you call them, or tumblers. Okay, so these are super fun. They have slide closure lids. They are 20 ounces. Look at, they got that slide pop-up straw thing. Okay, and the gel ones are available in, I think 4 different colors. You could do purple, clear gel, green gel, blue, or red gel, okay? And then there's just the regular clear with no gel. So these are $5.38 or just 50 cents more for the insulated gel. So those of you who do those rhinestone cups and things like that, if you wanted to bling out just the lid, how cute would that be on this gel one? So these make great like just last minute teacher appreciation gifts, quick vinyl projects, things like that. You can epoxy over this one here. I don't know if I would with this gel, but you can epoxy over these double layered acrylic because they are sturdy enough to handle the epoxy on them, okay? So these are super fun, super like perfect for summer. I didn't even think about that with the hot weather coming up. So grab you a couple of these, love them. Next, we have these 16-ounce skinny acrylic tumblers. She's got these in 4 colors. You can do the black, purple, or clear, or pink. And they have really nice twist off lids. Okay, you got a hole for your straw, and it comes with a matching colored straw, pre-wrapped, which I like. These you can epoxy on too. But I just think these are nice for like real simple, you know, just put a name on them, whatever. These are $4.48 and they come with a box. So all the cups that I'm going to show you, of course, always come with their own box, which makes them super giftable. I have never before bought these where they come with a box, so that is really nice. I used to get these all the time back in the day. So I think you guys will love those. Then I showed you guys these last weekend with our tutorial. These are the 20 and 30 ounce lager cups. Lager, Pilsner, I don't know, whatever you want to call them. So this is the 20 ounce, this is the 30 ounce. They do have the 3 lid options. So you can do the sliding tinted lid or the clear or tinted rubber mouth lid. And the prices are between $7.98 or $8.18. Tack on that 10 cents if you want the upgraded lid. I always do it. So these are really fun, and I think these are going to be a big hit with the guys. I like these. They've got that nice flat bottom that I love to work with. So these are very cool. lots of ideas for those for the guys. My husband was like very excited when he saw these. So I think those are fun. Okay, next, the new one. This is my favorite new one that she just came out with, is this 16-ounce fat bottom wine tumbler. So 16 ounces, clear slide closure lid, and you've got tons of room to play. I already have an idea planned for these. Keep your eye out for the tutorial. I want to do kind of a patriotic theme on these. I love a good wine tumbler, and I don't normally like to work with wine tumblers, but I like the shape of this. It's got this straight inside that I really like, so it's not slipping around on your turner. Very nice. So I am very happy with these 16-ounce wine tumblers. And sometimes wine tumblers, they just seem like they're too small. You know, this is nice and substantial. All right, put a cocktail in there. Perfect for summer, perfect for summer. I think those are gonna be a huge hit with your customers over the summertime. Okay, and then last but not least for the new stuff, we've got the 14-ounce camper mug. I think you guys are gonna just fall in love with these. Look at these. So cute. You've got your straight sides. It's 14 ounces. You've got the 3 lid options. Okay, and these ones are $8.68, 10 cents more for the clear rubber slider or the tinted rubber slider. They do come with a regular tinted slide closure lid, okay? And then look at that nice chunky rounded square handle. You've got a flat bottom. Look at that. So nice. No seams, okay? These are heavy. They're not as heavy as some of the ones I've worked with. They're a little more lightweight. And then look how much room you've got inside. I mean, that sucker is huge, okay? You could do a can of soup in there in your trailer, hot cocoa, whatever you want to do. I know a lot of you guys struggle with this handle, and I really want to do some kind of just show you some hacks for working with this handle. I know I've had a lot of requests on tutorials for these, and I promise you I'm working on them. I know I say that all the time, but I've got a huge list of tutorials and I've got plenty of time. Channel's not going anywhere, so I've got this on the list, I promise. And I want to show you guys some, you know, a fun design to do with these. That's really easy, I promise. And I think you'll really enjoy that. So that's the 14-ounce camper. Very cute. Now I want to move on to some stuff that is old to the site but kind of new to me. Last time we did an unboxing and review for Craft Haven, I showed you guys one of these rounds. I think we did the 20-ounce round, if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me on that. We did one of these rounds. And then she sent me these. I got a 32 ounce, a 17 ounce, and a cute little 12 ounce. Look at how cute that is. You know I love little cups. So I've got all 3 of these. How cool. And I like the stainless steel finish. I prefer that over the gold finish, which I believe is what I showed you last time. And I'm still planning on doing a tutorial with these. I haven't decided like what kind of design I want to do yet. I'm kind of stumped. I have a few ideas, but anyway, I just think these are a lot of fun. So these ones range in price, $7.88, $8.88, and $9.88. You've got that really nice thermal push button screw lid thingy. So these are really nice. I mean, if he takes coffee, cold water, whatever he takes to work or she takes to work or whomever, this is a really great, well-built thermos mug or tumbler, whatever you want to call it. And then also, where'd it go? New to me, but old to the site, and one that I'm excited to talk about is this 24-ounce taper. I know a lot of you already have these. For whatever reason, I haven't tried these yet. And I was so excited to look at these and see that they have the same bottom as my favorite 17-ounce all-in-one straight. You guys know I'm obsessed with these because they're so easy to work with vinyl wrapping, and you guys know how obsessed I am with vinyl wraps. So the reason I like to wrap these kind of bottoms with the printed vinyl is it's so easy to finish. And then you just pop a vinyl round here and then, you know, finish the bottom. You've seen me do it, but I was so excited to see that this taper has my favorite kind of bottom. So I'm really inspired by this cup. It does only have the option to do the tinted slide lid. And this one is $7.98. I will be making something with these just for fun. I don't know if I'll do a tutorial with these, probably something, I don't know. Haven't figured that out yet. But anyway, that about covers it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and review. You guys know I love Craft Haven. Craft Haven does sponsor the Flynn Sisters Boutique YouTube channel. We love and appreciate them. They are my favorite. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. You will find an exclusive discount code in the description box of this video, so check that out and see what kind of savings are waiting for you there. And there will also be a link to the Craft Haven website where you can go shop, the Craft Haven Facebook group, all linked up. And then of course you guys will also find a link to our new Facebook group, Flynn Sisters Community Group. That's a great place for you guys to connect with other members of the Flynn Sisters community. Share your pictures of things you've learned, ask for questions. You can get help there. Great resource for you guys. So look for that in the description box as well. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell button if you're loving our tutorials. And we will see you on Saturday. Bye-bye. If you love this video, you could check out our last video here. Also be sure to find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and of course subscribe for all our new videos that come out every Wednesday and Saturday. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.